Hello everybody, we are here in Paloumey cellar where the wine is produced. We are here in front of a tank with Merlot. Merlot that was harvested last Wednesday, so 5 days ago. Of course we taste it almost every 2 days in order to see how it evolves, but let's do it together and we'll see what we have in the tank, okay? First of all, one interesting thing is the color. Very strong, very profound, a little bit like ink, red ink. After 5 days, it's quite impressive. On the nose, very ripe, fruit-driven. Very typical of the Merlot when it's ripe, very elegant. The mouth is already quite strong. The mouth is full. Of course, it's a little bit wide, and it's the beginning. It's still a blend of alcohol and grape juice, of course, because it's in process of fermentation. But I'm quite happy with what I have on the tank and in the glass. Of course, we will have small yields this year because of the hot weather, but so far the quality is just great. So I will keep you posted, and we'll keep you updated with the next tasting with Cabernet Sauvignon. Bye-bye.